Hello students, this is your teacher Henry. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use a free website lessons to read sentences to fill in the correct comparative and superlative adjectives. These practice lessons will help you to prepare for your next discussion board activity. You can do the lessons online or print out the sentences and fill in the answers. Let's start. Type in cambridge.org/us/ventures-adult-ed/ventures-arcade. Then click on number 2 and then click on number 7, shopping. To the right are lesson B for comparatives and lesson C for superlatives. I will show you how to fill in one answer and check it. You can go back to the beginning of the lesson by clicking on the menu on the left. Type in the answer, then click Check Answers at the bottom. If you see a green check mark, it is correct. Then you can click the next button to go to the next sentence. I highly recommend you do these practice lessons so that you can use comparative and superlative adjectives correctly. Thank you.